Oh, they got drenched. Here comes the train.
They're going to cross.
Sorry it wasn't a very long video today. While I was there, I did take some other pictures which are appearing on screen now. I hope this gave you a little flavour of the sorts of services this line experiences, as well as the treacherous weather conditions it's subjected to. I dread to imagine what it's like on a bad day. Anyway, if you enjoyed, feel free to do all the things YouTubers normally ask you to do at the end of videos, and I hope you have a nice day.